Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming into this channel and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and feel free to subscribe if you are not already. So for today's video, I am sharing this ramen recipe that I have seen all over TikTok and YouTube and kind of added my own twist into it so that it is my go-to ramen recipe, and it is very quick. I find myself having this multiple times during the week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Without any further ado, we will jump right into the recipe. So first of all, you just do the basic, just boil some water in a pan. And this is the brand I will be using, the Bulldog brand. This is certified halal and we like this one. This is the carbonara flavor. Once your water boils, you're just gonna add the ramen into the water. And then you are going to take a bowl. You're gonna take the sauce and the powder that came with the package and you're just gonna put that in the bowl. With that, you're gonna add 1 egg, and take the baby whisk or a spoon works and just whisk everything together. Make sure there are no clumps and the egg is mixed with all the powder and the sauce. Once you're done mixing, add Kewpie mayo into the sauce. I would just say maybe like 1 tablespoon. I just eyeball it based on how thick I like it, and then I will just mix it again because sometimes mayo stay in clumps and you just have to make sure that you mix it in the sauce properly. And then the last step of the sauce is the sriracha. This is very optional. It depends on your spice tolerance level. I like to have my ramen a little bit spicier. I usually add about 1 tablespoon. Our noodles is also done. I will just take a little bit of water from the noodles and add it to our sauce. You can add more than 1 spoon. I just add 1 because my bowl is small. Now I'm gonna add my ramen into the bowl and just slowly mix the sauce into it. And that's basically it. I will just add some cucumber and some more garnishes to make it look cute. This is the end product. I hope you try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Definitely a quick recipe that I find myself multiple times having during the week. If there's any other recipes you want me to try out, let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video.